Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how we can set up Trojan on a Ubuntu based VPS. First of all, I'll tell you what Trojan is. Trojan is a VPN like Shadowsocks and VTray, but unless like Shadowsocks and VTray. Trojan turn your internet traffic into a real-time web page, so the camouflage effect is more effective, and it's like undetectable. More like it's like a VTray plus VTray plus TLS. In my previous video, I have shown you like it's same like that, but Trojan is more effective, and it turns your internet traffic into HTTP traffic. So before starting the process, we need a VPS and also a domain name. For getting a free domain name, we can go to freenom.com and register a free domain name. So then we have to install our VPS and get the VPS IP. I have already created a droplet and copy the VPS IP, and then go to the domain name. And I'm showing you for freenom.com. You can also use some other domain service. So go to services, my domains. My account is logged out. Click on manage domains and click on manage freenom DNS. So right here you have to add two records. First record with the name of www and forward it to your VPS IP, and another record with like this your domain name. In my case it's gfwtools.tk, and target it to your VPS IP and save changes. So in this way you can see these two records like this, add two record like this, and then go back to your domain list. So for the domain setting is done here, then you have to go to your VPS. You can log in SSH into your VPS using PuTTY or any other client. So then we have to type this command. I will put this command in the description and press enter. So it's the command menu. The first number one, it's install Trojan, and the number two is uninstall Trojan. So we will choose one. So here we have to write our domain name like this and press enter. So it's done. It will automatically check for the domain name that your IP is linked to that domain name or not. If not, and if you have successfully managed to forward your IP to your domain name, but you still see an error on this after entering your web page, then what you have to do is you will see two options, N or Y. You will press Y because it will force continue the process, and you will get your Trojan settings. So just press Y, or uh, or otherwise you just wait for some time and then do the process. Then you won't see any error. So it's done. Our Trojan setup is completed. Then we have to copy this link and download our settings. Paste it in. So start download. I'll pause the video, and when the download will be finished, I will resume it. So the files are successfully downloaded, and I have extracted the zip file here. So just open the folder user src trojan cli, and first of all you have to install the Microsoft Visual redistribution packages, and then just click on Trojan. So it's started, but currently there is no GUI client available for Trojan. So what we have to do, we can use V2Ray to use global proxy mode. um, in simple words, we can say we can combine V2Ray and Trojan to Trojan settings in V2Ray to access global mode. So just open V2Ray, and here as we can see, our listening port for Trojan is 1080. So and our listening port for V2Ray is also 1080. So first we have to change our listening port to some other port, like we can say uh, it's already changed 1088, so it's okay, don't need to change. If it's same like Trojan, then you must have to change your listening port. Press OK, then go to server and add sock server. Click here, server address is 127.0.0.1, and server port is 1080. That's it. Okay, so it's added successfully. Click on restart, and then go to V2Ray and HTTP proxy and use it at the global mode. Then restart services again. Then go to Google, check it's working or not. So we can see Trojan is working. No, it's not working. First we have to restart it. And click on restart. So it's successfully working. You can see. Now let's check our IP. What is my IP? Actually, there was a problem. That's why I paused the video. Some extension was using my computer proxy settings, and that's why V2Ray was unable to change my computer proxy settings. So our configuration is still same. Just click on restart service and go to Chrome, and let's check it's working or not. Click open Google. So now you can see it's accessing through V2Ray. Before it was not, because like there was one extension named mm, I just disabled that extension, and the extension was using my proxy settings, so that's why we were unable to access internet. But our configuration and everything is fine. So now we will click to what is my IP address, and you can see here it's same like our VPS, so it means our Trojan is successfully working. So we will also check YouTube and Google and everything, because I'm not in China now, so I can even access YouTube and Google without VPN. But Trojan is better than V2Ray, and Shadowsocks must try it. And please leave your comment, and also do check out my other video, like how to speed up V2Ray Shadowsocks and using Google BBR script, and you can also apply that script on Trojan. If you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment box. Thanks for watching.